When you first park the trailer, you're going to want to position the solar panels so as to get maximum sunlight, and also crank the front of the trailer down once you unhook it from the truck. Next, you want to let down all 4 legs and crank them down until they are tight, not to make the trailer level, just to provide some stability to the trailer. There are 2 gas tanks, zero and a spam. The spam is the one that contains methane. You're going to want to hook these up next and use soapy water to make sure that there is no air leaking from the canisters. There are 2 white plywood wings that fit onto each side of the GreenFeed head box. These are used to minimize the amount of airflow that is going into and out of the system. You can put these on the GreenFeed either prior to, during, or after acclimating the animals to the system. We have found some success at introducing these wings after around 3 or 4 days once all the animals are familiar with the GreenFeed. Now we will turn the GreenFeed on. There's a silver toolbox located in the front of the trailer. On the right side, you will see the on-off switch. Once you flip it on, you will see a green light come on the back of the GreenFeed. And if you do not, flip it off and back on again until you see the green light as shown in the video. Next, you will do gas calibrations. We'll attach the CO2 canister to the gun shown in the video, weigh the canister and the gun on a gram scale, and place it into the GreenFeed in the metal ring on the left side of the feed bin. You'll turn the gun on, leave it in the head box for 3 minutes, turn it off, remove it from the head box, and get another weight of the gun and the canister combined, the difference being the amount of CO2 that went into the GreenFeed system. It can be useful to provide a wind block to maintain accuracy of measurements here. Once you have your secondary weight, you will put the CO2 canister in a bucket of warm water. Careful as to not put it in far enough to get water on the seal of the CO2 canister. Next, you will dry the CO2 canister to get any remaining moisture off of it, and then weigh it again. This third weight will be the next weight for your gas calibrations. You will do this 6 times. Now we will talk about changing the air filter on the GreenFeed. On the back, you'll see 4 buttons. The bottom button is the sleep button. The system must be in sleep before you open up the back and change the air filter. You hold it down until you see 3 red flashes, and then the system will go into sleep mode, and you can remove the dirty air filter and place the new air filter back in. You'll know to change the air filter when you receive an email from C-Lock saying that the airflow of the system is too low. These air filters can last anywhere from 1 day to 7 days, just depending on the type of feed you're using and the amount of dust that's in the feed. Once you place the new air filter in, you will close the back up, hold the sleep button down until you see 3 red flashes, and the system will go online and be ready for animals to visit once again. Make sure that the head sensor is clean, as well as the RFID reader here. And lastly, this is the plug on the side of the bin when using the generator.